Hello everyone, in this quick video we are going to look at how to create a good organizational profile on GitHub. So this is my profile. If you see github.com, this is if I want to log in from a third account, it is going to look very plain, right? This is not at all looking nice. My notebooks are here. Some of my popular notebooks are here, but it is not looking that nice. So what we can do is we can try to create a special repository like we did for our personal profile. There is a different way of doing it for our company profile. So if you see, there is we need to create a new repository. The new repository is going to be .github. So .github is, if you can see, .github is a special repository that you can use to add a readme file. I will on the readme file, I will keep the readme file on, and I will just do the create the repository. So this is my basic GitHub that is there. If I go to edit, I will be seeing this basic GitHub that is here. Now I need to understand how can I update this for my website. So the easy way to do it is I'll just go to decodingdatascience.com. This is more specific to my organization. What all I do. So I will just try to copy everything that is here so that it gets an idea. Or what I can do is I can copy this, go to ChatGPT and ask it to create a profile, GitHub company markdown file for take information about DDS from and all other you can online platforms. Just for now, online platforms you know about, decoding data science. Also use your memory, because this is the best way of doing it, quicker way of doing it. So I want a profile GitHub company markdown file. Markdown spelling is wrong, but I think it should work. So it is thinking and it is getting it. So give couple of seconds of how to do it. I have not given any resume, I have not given any document, I have just given a website. It got all the information. It is browsing the decoding data science information from the internet, basic information. And give couple of seconds, it is polishing the readme content. So you don't need to manually type it, you can directly get it done from these type of AI tools. So in all my videos that I am doing in the recent few years is to show how I can update and do specific AI tasks, text tasks, using the help of AI and ChatGPT. So it is taking a lot of time. It is doing all the steps that are there. If you want to look into details, you can click and see all the details that it has taken. So it has gone to 9 different websites. It has taken all the batches. It has taken all the events. So it has done a lot of work, right? Manually, it would have been taken me a lot of time to do this. So now it has taken this whole thing. It has created the whole summary. Always review the work. So I'm quickly reviewing everything, which looks fine for now. It has taken all the different concepts of all our different programs. You can add links as well. So one thing that you have seen, like for AI Guild, for AI Academy, they are not giving the links that are there. So I can also add, tell them to, this is my company address. Can you add the relevant links like for AI Guild, AI Residency, and other important stuffs. Okay, just like this. So not only you can also, in the markdown, you can also give the hyperlink of specific websites. So now if you see the Academy, Residency, AI Guild, it has giving you all the links. Some of the links are wrong. You need to edit it. You can do it at later. For now, some of the links that are there, like AI Guild, it is not that smart enough to go to the internet and take the links till now, but for now it is fine. I can review that later. Some of the links are fine, some of the things I need to go. Well, you can get it done easy, that's fine. So I can also mention that this is the AI Guild link. I don't want to do it manually, but there are so many places, so I just want to this is the AI Guild link. So always review, never trust, because it gave you an output but the links were wrong. I was smart enough to think that it will take the AI Guild link directly from, it will go to the internet, search and open the website. Still we have a lot of time. Put everything together, and give me final markdown. It has given me separately, but I don't want that. I want everything to come together. So can you guys see quick links? Okay, I think this was better. What they have done here is okay, anyways, this is the quick links, that's fine. Amazing. So now I copy this, I go to my GitHub and here, and now I am going to just, in place of hash GitHub, I am going to paste this. Once I paste this, I can review it later. Some links, I feel all the links are fine. I do commit changes. Whenever we update any GitHub file, we have this. So now you can see it took me a couple of minutes to put everything together, but now it looks so much professional. And now this is the GitHub README file is there. Now let me just refresh my page. So overview, if I go to GitHub data science, it is still not showing. I don't know why. Maybe I have not made it public. Okay, this is private, so I have to make it public. So I don't know why this has happened like this. Ideally this should be public. Change visibility, because if it is private, you will not be able to show that. So now it has asked me to sign in again. I don't know, it is going to ask me the code. Verify confirm access, so it is going to give me a code that is there. So you need an authenticator code to authenticate code, authenticator, confirm access, GitHub 369165, verify. So now this is done. This is made public, and now if I refresh, yes, so I think it is taking some time. Let me open the repository. It is, the GitHub is showing here, but this is not showing on the page. So let us see what is the problem. Maybe I need to pin this GitHub. Just give me 1 second. So in the documentation there is something that I have to do, is inside the GitHub. What I need to do is I need to create a new file, and here I need to create profile / then I need to create the readme.md. It has to be, yeah, so this is a special repository inside decoding data science. This is the repository, and here I need to copy the content that I have created from the same thing that is going to be there. But if I want to make it publicly a view, I need to put it inside profile readme.com, and then I need to make sure that this is okay, because this is already public. And now this is something that is coming in inside GitHub if you see inside profile and then readme file. So now if I go here and I refresh decoding data science, now if you can see, I have everything here. This is my page. I have all the links and everything. So it took a little bit, the documentation is not that clear. There are some places where it is not mentioned, but inside the repository it has to be profile. So try to do this, try to make something like this for your organization so it looks nice, it looks professional and shareable as well. Thank you and see you in the next